Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 256. This was the 13th of May, 2023, a Saturday. So I did books, I did insurance, I did exercise, and I did I Am Academy. And I had a session with Jeffrey Combs, coaching session with Jeffrey Combs, and I had a coaching session with Ricky Valdez, who is my upline in I Am Academy. And we went over a lot of good information. So a very productive day. And my gratitude today, because when I'm making this, it's actually Sunday. It's Mother's Day, and I'm very grateful for my wife, who is the mother of our 3 children. She takes very good care of all of us, and I'm very grateful for her and all the moms out there, for my mother, for my wife, and for all the mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day. You know, probably when you're watching this, it's not Mother's Day, but anyway, just grateful that there are mothers out there that stand up. It's a tough job, and they do it every day, and take time out to appreciate what they do. We're very grateful. So thanks very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts, and I will talk to you tomorrow.